Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create your own stickers on WhatsApp in seconds. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then go to any chat or conversation from here. Now tap on the emoji icon in the chat. Then tap on the sticker icon. After that, here you tap on create. Now select any photo from your gallery. Once you select the photo, WhatsApp will automatically remove its background. Now, if you want to add text to your photo, tap on the text icon and type whatever you want. Now, you can change the color of the text and you can also change the font of the text. After that, tap on done. Now you can drag the text to adjust its position and resize it to make it bigger or smaller as you like. Then tap on add icon from here. After that, tap on new sticker pack. Then type a sticker pack name and tap on save. Now your sticker has been created and it added to the sticker section in WhatsApp. You can now send the stickers in chats or share it with your friends on WhatsApp. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.